Hello guys, and today we're gonna make a Samsung Galaxy S series tier list. Let's start with the Samsung Galaxy S, which is honestly going to the S tier because it's pretty goated, like the classic home screen, everything. The S2 is going to the A tier because I don't really care about its existence. Yeah. The S3 is kind of going to the A tier or maybe to the S tier. The Samsung S4 definitely to the S tier. Like I own one and honestly it's great. Like come on, let's be serious. Next is the Samsung Galaxy S5, which is quite beautiful in total, but the strange cable that you shall plug it in kind of makes me give it an A tier. The S6 is going to the B tier because I don't really know how to rate it, so I put the ones who I don't know how to rate them at the B tier. The A is for the ones that I kind of like, but I also don't really like something about them. For example, I don't really like the S2 camera, so that's why I don't really care about it. Next is the S7, which if I would have had, it would be an A tier because, yeah, I don't really like the fact that a phone that is literally beyond for a button comes with a button. The S8 is honestly golden. I wish I have one. Like it's still old but still new. Because if it doesn't have a button but it's old like 2018, well, I'd say it's great. The S9 is good too. Ah. The Samsung S10, let's just pretend we didn't see that. The S20 is going to the C tier. The fact that they probably removed the headphone jack or not kind of depresses me. It also kind of acts like a smartphone from the new era, but seriously has something that makes it feel like it's from the 2010s. And I don't like this on modern phones. Yeah, guys, my mom's phone and probably even the first phone with a tri-camera setup kind of doesn't really feel like a 2010s phone. Even though it looks modern and has a home screen button, it kind of looks pretty modern on the OS. The S21, which has its headphone jack removed, the C tier, but since I like its FE version, I'm giving that a B. Because I don't know how to rate it. Next, the S22. Sorry, you'll ignore that door sound because it was just my dad. Okay, next the S22 is kind of going to the A tier. Yes, still doesn't have the headphone jack, but still, it's quite good for me. The S23 directly goated. Goated. Next, there's the S24, which goes honestly to the A tier. Yeah, or honestly, let's give it a goated chance. Because it's just like an S24 or S23 2.0. Next, the DS25, which is quite a new model and all is gold for me. I honestly rated A. So that's my Samsung S series tier list, and the most rated one is the S tier. So many phones from this list were goated. Sorry guys if I haven't used tier maker, but when I hopped onto tier maker, there are many categories. But when I tried creating a tier list, it said subscription, about subscription things. So yeah guys, make sure you like or subscribe this video because it kind of means a little bit to me. And absolutely don't forget to comment. Bye!